Okay, I'm about to do the first full discharge of the power station. It's at 100% right now. I just barely plugged in the fan and I have it set on low. It's drawing 30 watts and the time is 10:37. It says it'll run for 7.8 hours. We'll see if it's still going by the time I wake up. Alright, good morning. As I'm sure you can probably tell, I just woke up. It is 5:09. It has been about 6.5 hours and the fan is off. We're at 0%. That's interesting, the display still illuminates even at 0%. So unfortunately, the rated 7.8 hours of estimated time for the fan did not succeed after 6.5 hours. We should have still had 1.3 hours left of the fan running. Unfortunately, I don't know how long ago the fan turned off. I just barely plugged in the power station for charging. It's at 0%. And immediately it's taking 264 watts, which is the max that it can accept via AC, and it's showing 0.9 and 1 hours to fully charge. And the current time is 5:52, so I'll let you know when it's fully charged. For the past little while, it's been charging at about 100 watts, and I just noticed it's dropped down into the 60s because it's getting really close to the 100%. Oh, the temperature warning just came on. 100%. Interesting, it quit inputting power first before telling that it was 100%. It is 7:02 and we started at 5:52. So that's exactly 1 hour and 10 minutes for the power station to charge entirely from 0 all the way to 100% via the AC wall adapter. So that's not bad. 1 hour and 10 minutes to completely charge a power station, that's pretty good. Now, as for the accuracy of the estimated time to charge, it was pretty close. It was saying 0.9 hours and it took about 1.2 hours. So it was pretty close. Also factoring in the fact that it's estimating the time remaining based on the current input of watts. So once it hits that 80% threshold and the watts going in reduces, then it recalculates the time remaining to fully charge the power station. Charging time of 1 hour and 10 minutes, that's a pretty good time, and the accuracy of the estimated time remaining was pretty close. I am a little puzzled at why the temp warning came on right at the end. It's been a few minutes afterwards and it's still illuminated, so I'm not sure why. Okay, the second I unplugged the AC adapter is when the temp warning came off. I wonder what happens if I plug it back in. Okay, plug it back in, temp warning, and the UPS light comes on. Oh, and it is warm. It is warm on top. Thanks for watching. If you made it this far, I appreciate you. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it to be helpful. If so, please hit the like button, drop a comment, and consider subscribing. Be sure to check out the video description below for product links and other information, and watch for my other videos. Until next time, I hope you have a wonderful day.